What's up, y'all? Keith Dykes here with W.K.D. Construction, and I'm standing in front of one of my current projects, which will be my home. This is gonna be my forever home. I just wanted to do a quick little post on a material, a Soffit material that I just started using, and I think it's pretty damn neat. So this product is called Chamclad. I've had a lot of comments on my stories I've been posting on the installation of this, so I thought I'd get on here and just do a really quick overview of the product and show you up close. In their list of products, this is their Soffit material. It is a recycled PVC. It's kind of got a hollow core design, very rigid. I'm impressed how, that is, it is very rigid. But it does have some sort of film that is applied to the PVC somewhere or another, probably heat. I don't know. I have not spoken to the representatives, but it is very, very realistic. This is in sun-bleached white oak, but it does have a matte finish, and you can kind of hear that. It does have a slight texture to it. So it looks exactly like white oak does. It has a nailing flange, which we use screws. They supply their own screws, so you use their screws. And it does go together very easily, just kind of like a tongue and groove. Slap it in there. And then it's got a stopping point. You can kind of see it right there. It's got a little stop to where you can keep your reveals nice and clean and consistent. I've been running some of the Chamclad soffit here on my house. And man, it's looking good, looking killer. Look at that. I like to line up all of my pieces on an outside corner. That way, it just looks a lot better. Start at one end and just work your way to the other. But Chamclad has some very cool trims with their product. They've got a two-piece J channel, which is nice. They've got a regular J channel, and then they got this is a kind of like a T molding, I guess you could say. I don't know the exact term for it, but it is for when in situations like this, you got a base track. And I don't know if I can put this on one-handed or not, but it just goes into the T slot, pushes up in there, snaps in there really good. Now you got a nice, clean corner, son. Look at that. Looking good. I will definitely be posting videos and reels on the installation of the Chamclad soffitting, so keep an eye out for that. So if you're wanting a material that has the beauty of real wood without the maintenance, better check out the Chamclad.